Guys, today is a beautiful day and we're going to carry out some tests with the Moment lens 18mm. So I'm going to head off to the Eid prayers, which is today, and we're going to test out some footage and also taking some pictures, and let's see how the Moment lens come out. So I'm recording in 4K with the S9 Plus. I have this on a mobile stabilizer gimbal I bought called the Moza Mini Mi, which I will review in another video. No lens attached yet, I just have the Moment case on. And the video quality is crystal clear. I'm super happy with the sharpness and video footage of this camera. Such a beautiful gathering here and a good time to test out the lens. So this is the Moment wide lens 18mm version 2. Let's slot this on and carry out some tests. First thing to notice is once you have your wide lens on and on a mobile gimbal, some of the mobile stabilizer will be showing when I'm holding the gimbal straight. Now to avoid this happening, you will need to hold the gimbal pointing straight. This will hide away the gimbal under the phone. The Moment wide lens is doing a pretty good job in capturing a wide field of view. You will at some point come across sun lens flares on the side or at the bottom, as you can see. Some people do like it this way as a cool effect, but others don't seem to. But there may be a possibility you can get it reduced or removed in post-production. Now this view is without the Moment lens. And now with this view we have the wide angle lens on.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar wa lillahi.
You can easily see the difference in the picture from here.
Allahu Akbar wa lillahi alhamd. Allahu Akbar, Allah.
Another shot with no wide lens. Keep your eye on the quality of the footage.
La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar wa lillahi alhamd.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters.
Now I have the wide angle lens on. You can see the wide picture how it grabs most of the view. But as you may notice, the picture slightly has gone softer and a slight fade of color too. That's including the quality. But these can be adjusted in post-production too.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar wa lillahi alhamd. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allah.
We got a picture taken of this lovely man without the lens, and now with the lens on. You can see the difference in the quality and sharpness. Oh, and a random picture of the new background blur feature of the S9 Plus without the lens.
Please keep your children with you at all times. If your child is lost, please come to the Lost Child tent, which is located to my right and your left at the front of the park.
That we are united and we will be fighting all the way against the crime, and we got to protect our city. This is a great city where we live, and we have to look after our city.
Asset of the community. You are the dignity and the respect of the community. So understand your value and give respect and dignity and bring the dignity to your community. And do not follow the bad examples. Your role model is your Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The pride and the arrogance that you have within yourself and you want to resemble the gangsters, this is not the life, this was not the seerah, this was not the teaching of your beloved Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Fire Service, St John's Ambulance and the West Midlands Ambulance Service Trust, this event would not be happening. But most importantly, we need to thank the neighbours who live and work around the vicinity of Small Heath Park for their support in allowing this event to happen today. So thank you.
So please speak to the officers today if you're interested. Go and look on our website. Please see whether or not you want to stand forward and help serve your community and keep peace. Finally, have a fantastic day. On behalf of us all again, Eid Mubarak.
I'm sure Moment will make a version 3 of the white lens, and I would like to see a reduction of the lens flares, make it lighter in weight and improve the image quality just like having it without the lens. Overall, the lens does a perfection job of capturing the wide angle view in a successful way. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick review and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.